Ich fange jetzt einfach mit meinem Workshop an.
With your own eyes, I will start with my workshop.
Ich würde jetzt kurz hier einige Teilnehmer vorstellen, die hier dabei sind.
I would like to introduce a group of the participants who have
hier sind einige Teilnehmer eben Uta Kurzwelly, Karin Silske, Konrad
Uta Kurzwelly, Karl Siske, Konrad Czepper und Piotr Zinkiewicz.
Kissinger dazu und Michael Glasen, die leider eben beide krank sind.
Other people who unfortunately are sick and couldn't join us.
Und vielleicht so viel sei angemerkt,
the pictures
in meinem Workshop
can be found
sind die Teilnehmer
in this place in my workshop.
Das heißt, gemeinsam
the participants are artists within their own right. So in cooperation with them we elaborated on the subject of windows, and we are moving from the first stage of the workshop, and we have had a brainstorm, so we collected ideas of various participants and we created our own works in the following stages, and we held regular meetings in the meantime, and we talked about the stage where we think we are until we created the final work, which is going to be displayed here. Given the tight schedule, we're not going to have an opportunity to talk to everyone, because we will not be able to do everything in such a small amount of time. How much time will we need to see everything? Anna proposes that we go from one workshop to another through every group of works. It will be an opportunity for the director to say a few words about each of the works, and that's so that you have enough time to see all of these works. So we are going to move to the back side of the corridor to the second part of the workshop held